Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is India's tallest leader in modern times. As the Supreme Commander, he led the anti-imperial Indian National Army, that is Azad Hind Fauj, for India's liberation from the British rule. The propaganda effect of Azad Hind Fauj was tremendous. It caused serious damage to the backbone of British Raj by generating disaffection and rebellion in the British Indian Army and thereby forcing the British to leave India in a hurry in 1947. Subhash Bose had rebelled against the slow, long-drawn and inconclusive Gandhian methods to attain India's freedom, resulting in him having to resign not only the post of the President of Congress Party, but the party itself, and starting his own political party to be followed by the military outfit outside India. The Azad Hind Fauj, which is formed by the Indian soldiers who were serving custody as a prisoner of war in various countries like Japan. Bose convinced the leaders of many countries to help him in war against the imperial powers by releasing the prisoners of war, that is Indian soldiers, who were captured when they were fighting for the British government. The Azad Hind Fauj was one of the first modern armies in the world to have an all-women combat unit named Rani of Jhansi Regiment. Swami Vivekananda was an inspiration to Netaji. He was often called the Manashputra of Swamiji. His philosophy has given him the power and courage to achieve impossible targets. By observing the indomitable and self-sufficient spirit of Netaji, Rabindranath Tagore dedicated a song, Akla Chole Re. The slogan Jai Hind was coined at Netaji's behest and he was instrumental in popularizing it. At last, salute to this great hero for his contribution towards the freedom of our country.